And for today, the first part is BCG matrix. As you know, the BCG full form is Boston Consultancy Group, and this matrix is basically tell you where your product lies. Means whether the product is at the profitable stage, non-profitable stage, rich cash stage, or unidentified stage, where the product lies. And if you come to know where my product lies, we are going to make the strategy for that particular product. So by keeping these things to know what is the health of the product, where the my product lies, BCG consultancy matrix make a matrix and develop it on the two variables, based on two variables. First variable name is relative market share, and second variable name is market growth rate. Relative market share means compare compare of the brand market share against the competitors market share. Means in one particular market where my products are working, or where the my products are there in one market or two market, what is their market share is in compared to other. If 100% market share is there, what is my market share, who is the maximum market share getter, is it I am the topper or whoever is there in that particular market share. So comparing with their competitors from the top to the bottom, where I stand, first place, second place, third place, or what is my market share, 10%, 20%, 50%, 2%, 5%, like that one. And market growth rate, what type of market it is, how many number of customers are increasing every year, how many area are increasing every year or every one moment of time. So that is also the market growth rate is there. So if market growth rate is high, if market growth rate can be high, means it is increasing every year, customers are adding, customer likeness preference are increasing, customers are shifting towards the previous products to your products, so market growth rate is there. Relative market share is, as I told you, the number of competitors, and each competitors how what are their share respective with others. So that is relative market share. Now in this you can see there are the four quadrant. On x-axis, product sales growth is rate is there, and under that product sales growth rate, high and low are there. Two part means if product growth rate is there every quarter, every month, every half yearly, or every annually, the product sales growth are increasing, it means they are at the high position. Or if product growth rate is low, means decreasing, so it comes under the low. Relative market share, what is your market share in the in that market where you are operating, high or low? So there are the four things. If product market share growth rate is high and relative market share is also high, it means this quadrant is known as star. Means you are, or your product is good in both the cases. Market share growth rate is also high, as well as your market share, relative market share is also high. In case of second, where you can see the question mark, if product sales growth rate is high but your market share is low, it means potential is there, chances are there, more number of customers are there, but still you are not able to capture the more market in relative to your your competitors. It means your market share is low but potential to grow in that particular market is high. It is called as question mark. The third one is, one time you are the relative market share is high, and one time you are the king of that particular market. Nowadays your sales growth is not very high, it may be constant or it may be low, but your market share is very high, means one time you are the king of that particular market. So that condition, you are rich with the cash, that condition is known as cash cow. You can see the third one. And if both the cases, market share is also low, as well as your potential to grow in the market is also low, that case is known as dove. So this is they are the symbol to identify if both the on both the factors. What are those factors? Product sales growth rate as well as market share, relative market share. If both are high, you are in a very good position, that symbolically known as star. If potential is very high but still your position is very low, that is known as question mark. Your relative market share is very high but now the growth rate is very low, that is called as cash cow. And in both the cases, if the product is low, it is known as dog. Now, what can be the strategy if a product is into a star? A star are those products that are strong. Their position is very high. It may be first 1 to 3. They need a heavy investment to sustain their growth. Why? Because investment is not only for the purpose of their position of growth, also for the purpose of more return, because this is the stage where the market share potential is high, likeness is high, everything is high. So use large cash and produce large cash. Here it is the point of investment of large cash to getting the more profit of that one. If they maintain their relative market share, they become the cash cow. Means after some times when the things are not same, market maybe the likeness or maybe the growth rate is decreasing, at least at that moment of time, if you are a star of 1 point, your next level will be the cash cow. So these are the leader. If the company is at that position, they are the leader of that one. After strategy, I will tell you what are the different example for different products. In PLC, if you compare with the product life cycle, which we have discussed, this stage is more relevant with the growth stage. I think you can connect with that one. Next thing is cash cow. In cash cow, what can be the strategy? As I told you, cash cow means you are rich with the cash. Your market share was very high. You are one time you are the leader of that particular market, but your market shares are low. Your potential for the growth is low. Potential for the growth is low. In that case, this can be the stage of maturity if you compare with the product life cycle. So in this case, they need to be managed for the continued profit. Means at least they should manage so that they can continue to generate the strong cash flow that the company need for the other products. So here they can invest for other products. They can take the use of that cash for the other product. Here they want to be for the more, if they are at the cash cow stage, they will invest to maintain this particular position. They can invest into a new product. They can invest into a star product. So this type of a strategy is there if company realize that their product is into a cash cow. Third one is if a company realize that their product is into a question mark stage. Question mark stage is there. Potential is there in the market. Market growth potential is there, but relative market share is very low. You may are new to the market. People are not identify your product with their taste or interest. So demand is high, but returns are low. It means demand is there in the market. That's why people are buying the product of your competitors, but your returns are low. A question mark has the potential to become the star if it is developed in such a way to to identify what exactly changes we have to make, how to promote, how to convince the customer. So this is the stage of introduction if we compare with the product life cycle. If we cannot do anything more, it may observe to large cash. Means this is the stage where things are not very clear, where to go, where to invest, how much to invest, which area to invest. So here if invest smartly, correctly, rightly, as per the demand, it will become the star of tomorrow. If it will go wrongly, it will become the dog of tomorrow. That is the main thing of question mark. These products have the potential but may require substantial investment in order to grow market share. If we compare Not exactly, but if we compare, it will be related with the introduction stage of product life cycle. Next one is dog, or last one, where we realize that our product is growth rate is low, as well as our market share is also low. Means there is no chances to increase your market share, or there is no chances to increase the number of growth potential in that particular market. So in this case, if we are still try to put the money into the dog products, it means we are wasting our time as well as our money. So it can be called as the cash trap, because of the money tied up with them, with the very little potential or no potential. Such businesses are the candidate for divestiture. Divestiture means either we have to change that product, either we have to close that product, or either we have to sell that product business to other company. No real growth is there. So that product stage is called as decline, related with that product life cycle. So I hope you understand what the star, cash cow, question mark, and dog is there. So if we will take the example, let us take the example of Apple company. If you see their smartphone, their iPhone at the high position, at their market growth rate is high, as well as their market share is also high. So their star are iPhone, mobile phone. What about their cash cow? Maybe their iPad. Or if we are talking about the question mark, where they are still confused, what type of investment, what type of target is there, where we will invest more, like Google watches, Apple watches, and Apple television. So question mark is there. Maybe in the future they will become the star, but nowadays still they are investing in such a way that they will get. And iPod, nowadays iPod is not in more demand, so they are not investing, they are not promoting, they are not making, so they are at the low position for that one. Like this way you can take the example of many other company. Let us take the another example, like take the example of Google. What are the star of Google company products? Star, YouTube, Android, Gmail, Google Plus, because they are huge potential to grow. Still they are making the huge amount of market, what you call as the share is there, potential is there, so they are the star of Google. What about the question mark, or what about the question mark? So question mark are those who are still struggling, they are not, don't know where to go, how to invest, how to target, like Google Glass, like Google Drive, Google Doc. They are the old product, but still they are struggling to find out the way to reach at the star. Maybe in the future, if company will stop, they will become the dog of that one. Cash cow, cash cow, like search engine. Search engine, still somebody will say that Google search engine is in the star. But if you see here, their chances to grow is now limited. They're not growing very fast for that one. There are chances to what you call as the do more investment, or chances to do more experiment is not there. So growth chances are, but they have still the large number of market share. Advertisement, Google in search engine, these are the cash cow. If you're talking about the dogs, those who are not there in use, symbolically is the dog, like Orkut, Google News, Google's Group, Google Readers. Company are not investing anything in that one. They are stock products. They are not into the demand products. So this is the BCG matrix for Google. One more